Eagles are large birds of prey known for their powerful bill, keen eyesight and mystical flight. They are found across the globe, with different species adapted to various environments. Here is a comprehensive look at the lifestyle of eagles. 1. Species and distribution. Global presence. Eagles are found on every continent except America. Some well-known species include the bald eagle, found around in North America, the golden eagles in the northern hemisphere, and the harpy eagle in the Central and South America. Habitats. Eagles inhabit a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, grassland, and coastal regions. They prefer areas near bodies of water where they can hunt fish, but they are also found in arid desert and high altitude. 2. Physical characteristics, size and strength. Eagles are among the largest birds of prey. They have broad wings, strong talons, and powerful beaks designed for tearing fish. Depending on the species, their wingspan can range from 1.8 to 2.5 meters, approximately 6 to 8 feet. Vision. Eagles have incredibly sharp eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Their vision is up to 4 times sharper than that of humans. 3. Diet and hunting. Carnivorous diet. Eagles are primarily carnivorous, feeding on a diet that includes fish, small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Some species, like the bald eagles, are known for their fishing prowess, while others, like the golden eagle, hunt larger mammals like deer or sheep. Hunting techniques. Eagles typically hunt during the day. They use sharp eyesight to spot prey from high in the sky or from a perch. Once they identify a target, they swoop down at high speed to capture it with their powerful talons. 4. Breeding and nesting, mating rituals. Eagles are generally monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds. They engage in elaborate courtship displays, including serial acrobatics, where they lock talons and free fall in a spiral before separating. Nesting. Eagles build large nests known as eyries, typically in tall trees or on cliffs. These nests are often rows and added to year after year, becoming massive structures that can weigh several tons. Egg laying. Female usually lay 1 to 3 eggs, with incubation lasting around 35 to 45 days. Both parents participate in incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Chick development. Eagle chicks or eaglets are born with white downy feathers. They grow rapidly, developing flight feathers within a few months. The parents continue to feed them until they are ready to fledge and leave the nest, usually around 10 to 12 weeks old. Behavior and social structure. Territorial. Eagles are highly territorial and often occupy the same territory for many years. They firstly defend their nests and hunting ground from intruders. Solitary birds. Outside of the breeding season, eagles are generally solitary. However, some species may be seen in groups, especially when food is plentiful. 6. Lifespan longevity. Eagles can live for a considerable length of time, often 20 to 30 years in the wild, with some individuals living even longer in captivity. Threat. Eagle face threat from habitat loss, pollution, especially from pesticides like DDT, and hunting conservation efforts have helped many species recover from near extinction. 7. Cultural significance. Symbols of power. Throughout history, eagles have been symbols of power, freedom, and spiritual significance. They appear on national emblems, currency, and are revered in many cultures. 8. Conservation. Protection. Many eagle species are protected by law and their populations are monitored by conservation organizations. Successful conservation programs, such as those for the bald eagles in the US, have helped some species recover from the brink of extinction. Eagles are remarkable creatures, and their lifestyle reflects their role as epic predators and symbols of strength and majesty in the natural world. Drop your comments, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more of my latest video when published. Thanks for watching.